I am very pleased to welcome you to Rutronik's first virtual tech fair. My name is Pascal Kundelius. I am the responsible product sales manager for ceramic capacitors. For this presentation's topic, we have chosen the medical ventilator. As a recommendation, we are going to show you a few products from our partners Samsung Electromechanics, Eaton, AVX and also Epson. Which is the one to start with? So let's hop into our first product, a RealTime Clock. The new series RX 8900 CE/SA from Epson is a RealTime Clock module. That means the package includes an IC, an 32 kHz crystal, with a factory calibrated digitally temperature compensated crystal oscillator. Due to the usage of this technology, the module achieves a high accuracy. Only ± 3.5 parts per million over the temperature range of -40 to +85 degrees Celsius. Another key feature is the timekeeping in case of power outage. This product is able to switch automatically to a backup supply, a battery or a supercapacitor. In medical ventilators, this real-time clock can be used to implement a clock or a calendar function. MLCCs are almost in every application. From our experience, we know that the 10 microfarad type is a common capacitance value for the medical ventilator. From our top supplier, Samsung Electromechanics, we can offer a wide range of different specifications as a 10 microfarad type, starting with the case size and not even ending with the different qualifications like commercial, industrial and automotive. We as Rutronik do have more than 100 million pieces on stock from those different parts of the world's second biggest MLCC manufacturer, Samsung Electromechanics, proven in quality and service. Supercaps from Eaton are used in medical devices as a backup or peak power function. A supercapacitor stores the energy electrostatically. This means there is no chemical reaction inside. In this way, the capacitor is able to realize more cycles than classical battery solutions. The double-layer capacitor is a power storage device. It has its strength in the range of high currents over a short time. Some of these capacitors allow charging and discharging currents in the range of hundreds or even thousands of amperes. Usually, the charge and discharge times are in the range of 1 to 120 seconds, depending on the design. Eaton offers a proven technology for the medical segment. The multi-layer varistors are zinc oxide-based ceramic semiconductor devices with non-linear bidirectional voltage current characteristics, which include two functions in one device: TVS protection and EMI filtering. They do have the added advantage of greater current and energy handling capabilities, as well as EMI and RFI attenuation to prevent signal distortion and to meet regulatory requirements. They provide smaller size over voltage protection options for modules with sensitive integrated. A further advantage is the very fast response to ESD strikes, which is smaller than 1 nanosecond. AVX can offer these parts with a wide range of components. The parts are also available as an automotive series with glass encapsulation, which provides also enhanced resistance against a harsh environment. If you need any specific support of more details about the products and suppliers which we have shown you in the last couple of minutes, please do not hesitate to contact us under passive@rutronik.com. So thank you very much for your attention and stay healthy.